Hi, it's Chris from Florida Drone Supply, and today we're gonna slow things down a bit and show you how to get that amazing cinematic slow motion footage from your DJI Mini 4 Pro. With its recent release, the Mini 4 Pro has already lived up to the hype that surrounded it. You just can't go wrong with this drone, and it is the perfect addition to anyone's drone fleet. One of the features that DJI showcased about this drone is its ability to capture 100 FPS slow motion footage at 4K and 200 FPS at 1080p. So how do you get into this mode? We're gonna jump right into it, and I promise it's gonna take all of about 10 seconds for you to learn this feature. With your drone and remote powered up, set your drone in your takeoff location and make sure your home point is set with your GPS lock. The drone will audibly let you know that the home point is locked in and you are ready for takeoff. To get to the slow motion options from the main screen, press the rectangle icon just above the red shutter button. This will bring up the camera menu. Select the video icon, which is the second icon down, and once you press that, another menu will come up on the left-hand side. The options in this menu are normal video, night mode video, and the last one, slow motion. Once you press slow motion, press anywhere on the screen to exit out of that menu. Now that you are back to the normal controller screen, at the bottom of the screen, you will see where it says Res and FPS. This stands for resolution and frames per second. Go ahead and press on that text and it will open up another menu for you. Inside of this menu is the option to set the slow motion at 4K 100 or 1080p at 100 FPS or 200 FPS. Select which one is right for you and click anywhere outside of that menu to get back to the main screen. It's that simple. Launch the drone into the air, fly to your capture location, and press that red record button. You are now capturing amazing, slow motion video that will impress anyone around. We hope that this tutorial helps you with your Mini 4 Pro use and flying. If you have any questions, give us a call at 855-8-DRONES or check us out online at floridadronesupply.com. If you're interested in purchasing the Mini 4 Pro, click on the link in the description below. And as always, thank you for watching and have a great day.